Happy Campers. We're going to look at our grammar for today on Tuesday. We are doing 2 pages of grammar today so that we're not behind in our literacy centers without having Monday. And here it tells us a contraction is a shortened form of 2 words. She is equals she's. An apostrophe replaces letters that are left out in a pronoun, verb contraction. Some common contractions are he is he's, she is she's, it is it's, you are your, I am I'm, we are we're, they are they're, and I have I've. We've noticed each contraction where the letters popped out, it was replaced with the apostrophe. It's kind of like a comma in the air. So here on page 121, our directions are rewrite each sentence and replace the underlined words with a contraction. So number 1 says, I am writing a report about animals and their habitats. I am. We can look up here in our reference too, and we see it becomes I'm. The A pops out, so we are putting an apostrophe in its place. I'm then going to write the rest of the sentence just like it is on the paper. Nice and neat writing, putting finger spaces between my words so that it is easy to read. Habitats. And I am placing the period at the end just as they did. So you're going to finish numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 all on your own. And go ahead and put your name and your number at the top. And also remember, boys and girls, on any of these videos as we are learning at home, whenever you need to pause, you can go ahead and pause and then hit play again when you are ready. We're also looking at page 122 today for our grammar packet. And once again, it's telling us contractions can be formed with a pronoun and a helping verb, such as is, have, or will. Some common contractions formed with will are I will, I'll, he will, he'll, she will, she'll, we will, we'll, you will, you'll, it will, it'll, and they will, they'll. Underline the 2 words in each sentence that you can make into a contraction. Then write the sentence with the contraction. They did not underline anything this time. You need to find it and do the underlining, and then write. So number 1 says, we will have lots of fun at the park. Ooh, I see we will can go together to become will. Notice the W-I pops out. I replaced it with an apostrophe. Then I'm going to finish writing my sentence. Ending it with the period, just as they did. You're now going to complete number 2, 3, 4, and 5 on that page. Happy working!